Hello, today we are going to try to fix quite interesting issue that I've got with my iRobot Roomba. It's got problem with finding docking station, and that issue tell me that we are going to get problem with the infrared sensor that is located here, because it's just receiving the infrared signal. So as you can see, it's mounted here. And by the design, it is a little bit stupid, because if you take a look, it's moving, and because of that, there is a wire that is interconnecting this bumper with the infrared sensor and the PCB. So what I'm pretty sure the wire just wear out from constantly moving like this, because the infrared sensor usually do not die. I expect that we just need to swap the wire out. And we are going to try to take care of it. First, we are going to remove our bin. We are going to rotate it. We are going to do some basic unscrewing. First, we are going to start with our brush. We can clean it very nicely. Oh, that was a lot of dirt, as you can see. We did a great job by undoing it. We have to remove the bottom part because we need to gain access to the bumper. We have to remove it. So let's undo those screws. I very enjoy that screwdriver, just in case you would be interested. That was a good buy. Okay. We've got 2 screws more. Let's take a look. Can it be lifted up? Yes, we can, absolutely. No problem. We've got our beautiful battery. We've got a lot of dirt, so I will clean it out. Now we are going to take care of all those screws, and that size looks like it will get the job done. Okay, all screws are undone. We can remove that part. And let's take a look what's going to happen. And the front bumper, it's going loose very nicely. And I'm pretty sure that we are going to get problem with this piece of wire. Let me undo the infrared sensor. And as you can see, a regular infrared sensor, they usually do not die. So I would expect that we've got a mechanical fault in that piece of wire, that from constantly bumping and moving it around like this, it finally damaged somewhere. This is my assumption. I'm wondering if I'm correct or not. And we need to replace it. I'm wondering where this wire might get damaged, because I really don't want to open it totally, but maybe, yeah, maybe we have to do it. So let me clean that up. We have to pry the top cover and nicely remove it. It was just held by all those clips, and looks like we've got a success. Here our battery fall off, so let's take a look just in case you would be looking for a replacement. 3 amp hour, nickel metal hydrate, and here we've got those quite interesting terminals. So this is a good one, you should be easily finding replacement. It do not have any special circuitry. We have to undo all those screws. Here we've got some sort of programming port. So if you ask me, that was pretty easy to open. I was expecting much worse. The PCB is very nice. Just take a look how it's nicely spread. I'm wondering if it is a double side. Yes, it is, sadly. Here is our sensor. Let me try to unplug it. I've got nice replacement wire. We are going to cut similar length. Since I do not have that plug that looks similar like a JST, but I'm pretty sure the wire was not moved here, so it will be okay. I will just cut it and solder there. So I'm going to reuse it. Maybe that's not the absolutely best possible way, but sometimes you have to be creative. Sometimes you have to be creative. I follow the same color code. We can add our heat shrink tubing, and I'm pretty sure we are going to make it fully operational. Now it's time for you to place a bed. Is it going to be working? In my entire life, I never seen problem with a infrared sensor being not working if it's not damaged mechanical. So I'm pretty sure this was the problem. Okay. And the last small screw goes there. Just like this. Now we can clip our top. Here is our handle. Just make sure it goes through. Just like that. And nicely clip it. How does it present? Does it present beautiful? Yes, I believe. And now it was upside down. Okay, we've got it mounted like this. Now we should go and attach it something like that. Yeah, the bumper is working. Yeah, I believe that part go first. That part is done. I believe the bumper is responding. We are going to insert our battery. I almost forget it. Those contacts have to be aligned. So we go like this. Absolutely beautiful. Nice access to the battery. I give it a pass. We are going to attach our back plate. And it's done. So now there will be a moment of truth and we are going to see whether we've got a good fix. We are after finishing our repair process. We are at the docking station. We are fully charged. I'm going to start the cleaning process. Okay, I pause it and I'm going to hit the dock button. And it should go back into docking station. And start recharging process. And they made together and we've got a good fix. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you find it interesting. See you next time and bye bye.